Will my knee pain ever go away? See, this is a question that is burning in anybody's mind who has been suffering from long-term chronic knee pain. And especially if you have tried so many things and all of these things give you only temporary pain relief, and your knee pain always comes back. Okay, so then you get down to wondering that will my knee pain ever go away? Okay, so in this video I'm going to solve the mystery. Okay, alright, so the answer to this question can be given in two parts. There is a negative part of the answer and a positive part of the answer. Now I am a person who likes to deal with the bad news first, so I'm going to share the negative part of the answer first. But if you stay with me until the end of this video, then I will also share with you some good news about knee pain relief. Alright. Hello, I am Khadija Juzer. I am a master physiotherapist and a patient educator, and I am the creator of an online knee pain rehabilitation program called Free to Move. And in this program I give holistic and I teach an holistic approach to getting rid of knee pain for a long time. Okay, not only can you make your joints pain free, but you can also lead more active and productive, fuller lives. Alright, so now coming back to today's video and today's question, that will my knee pain ever go away? So I said to you that there are two parts to the answer, negative part and a positive part. So let us deal with the negative part first. So let me share with you 3 reasons why your knee pain technically cannot go away. So the first reason is that your body undergoes aging. Okay, you are going to grow old. All right, your body is going to undergoes wear and tear daily. Okay, and see, this wear and tear begins at a very young age, even before you had any knee joint pain. In fact, when this wear and tear reaches a certain limit, when your joints can no longer take the stress, it starts sending out pain signals to the brain to, get attention, that do something, I'm under a lot of stress. So you are not going to, so the joint is going to age, your body is going to grow old, and it is going to be exposed to wear and tear. Okay, the second reason is that you are not going to stop using your joints. See, the minute you wake up, the minute you sit up in bed, the minute you stand up, the minute you go to the bathroom, you start performing your daily activities. Okay, your joints are constantly being exposed to some sort of stress. Alright, and see, you are going to keep on using your joints till the end of your life. Okay, in fact, see, if you are unable to move, and if you do not move, and then there is no life. Okay, if you are unable to use your joints to stand, to walk, to run, to climb stairs, to perform your daily activities, so then there is no life. Okay, so you are going to use your joints till the end of your life, and when you use these joints, they are going to be exposed to stress and pressure. All right, so the second reason is that you are not going to stop using your joints. And the third reason is that, see, throughout our life we have been using our joints in faulty postures. Okay, in positions which places lots of undue stresses on the joint, and when these faulty postures are sustained for a long period of time, what happens is that the muscles, certain muscles get tight and they pull the joint, and the pull exert unwanted stresses on the bone, the alignment of the bone is disturbed, and all this basically accelerates the damage accelerates the wear and tear of the joints. Your joints begin to age and grow old faster. Okay, so for these 3 reasons, number 1, that your joints are going to grow old, you are going to age. Number 2, you will be continuing to use your joints till the end of your life. And number 3, that if you are exposing them to faulty postures, to unwanted stresses, then definitely your knee pain is not going to go away. Alright, so now that you have stayed with me until this point in the video, so stay a little further and don't leave without hearing the good news. The good news is basically 3 concepts which will help you hack into these natural systems. And by these concepts you can decrease the amount of stress on the joints, and these are hacks to increase the support to the joint, which overall helps in slowing down the aging and slowing down the wear and tear of the joints. Okay, so these three concepts are the three pillars of any good knee rehabilitation program. So the first concept is that you have to understand that you cannot reverse aging, but definitely you can control it and slow it down. Okay, so how is this possible? By giving adequate rest and adequate nutrition and adequate movement to the joint. So when you give a good combination of all three to the joint, it repairs itself faster. See, our body is a machine with immense healing potential, but we do not know how to tap into this potential. Okay, so but one of the very potent techniques is to provide it with good nutrition, good rest and good movement. If these three are correct in place, then the rate of repair of damage and rate of healing is very faster. All right, so you can potentially slow down aging. You can slow it down very much. Okay, the second important concept is that you need to learn the correct techniques of performing daily activities. See, I told you that you are going to perform daily activities till the end of your life, but what if I told you that there is a way to perform these activities with minimal stress on the joints? Okay, minimal energy expenditure of your muscles, and you get maximum movement, maximum efficiency in movement. You are able to perform the movement faster, quicker and easier, smoothly. This is a science. This is known as ergonomics. Okay, so when you learn these correct movement techniques to perform, to go about your daily tasks at home, at office, at your business, at your workplace, while playing games, when you learn the correct techniques, your movement becomes efficient. What is efficiency? Efficiency, minimum input, maximum output. So if you decrease the stress on the joint and decrease the energy expenditure of the muscles, but still you will be getting lots of activity from your joint, and your the activities will be very smooth and easy. Okay, and the third important concept is to appropriately we had talked about faulty postures, tight muscles and faulty positions of the bone. But if you stretch the muscles, the tight muscles, and if you strengthen the weak muscles, and if you adopt postures which aligns the bones optimally, so then overall you are giving good support to your joint. You are not just decreasing the stress and the damage to the joint, you are also providing additional support, the support of strong and flexible muscles to the joint. Okay, and this decelerates the this slows down the rate of aging in the joints. This slows down the rate of damage in the joints. Okay, so if you so with these three concepts, the three concepts are: number one, that you can slow down and control aging with good rest, nutrition and movement. You can learn the correct techniques to perform daily activities with minimal stress on the joints, and you can also keep the surrounding muscles flexible and strong to support the joint adequately. So if you do these three, then gradually you will your joints will not just become pain free for a long time, but your joints will become stronger and you will feel more active. You will be able to move more freely. Alright, so with this I have come to the end of today's video, and please do share in the comments below which concept really clicked with you. Alright, which concept do you feel is really powerful and will really change your knee pain? Okay, so you share in the comments below. I'm all ears for any questions on knee pain, and if you want more such informative videos, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, where I'm continuously bringing new and updated information on knee pain relief. My approach is holistic and long-term knee pain relief, no temporary hacks over here. Alright, and also if you are interested in joining my online knee pain rehabilitation program, that is the free to move knee pain rehabilitation program, then you can join my free Facebook and Telegram groups. The links are in the description below. So please join my free Facebook and Telegram groups, where I share information on how to get access to these online knee pain coaching programs. These are very holistic. They provide step-by-step plans, very actionable steps, easy to perform at home itself, okay? And you will experience not just long-term pain relief, but your joints will become so much free, active, strong, and you will be able to lead more fuller, productive lives. Okay, so if you are interested in getting access to my program, then please make sure to join my Facebook and Telegram groups. The links are in the description below. And with that, I am signing off today, and I will come again soon with another awesome, super informative video on knee pain. Until then, take lots of care. Bye bye.